First of all, I'd like to apologise because I've been slacking massively today. I didn't pick up the camera at all. Finally swapped the rotten door with the lovely fresh one. All the trim, door card. I'm just going to put one screw into that and that'll be on. Electric windows in. As you can see, it's lovely and fresh now. Started to do a little bit of body work on it. Put a little bit of protection on because I don't know how long we're going to be at that stage of primer for. I've just marked out the next rear arch now. I'm sort of at a point where I can't do anything else. This is all on spot welded. This is my final cut line. But first of all, I've got to do the sill, which if you've seen the other video, you'd have seen that's on the way. So the car is looking better than it come in, but at the same time, worse. Our mate Chris has dropped his bumper off. Needs a bit of fiberglass, so I'll be fixing that for him. So that'll be in a couple of days' time. I'm going to start fiberglassing that and fixing that. But first, I think I'm going to actually make a start cutting them rear fenders today, because I'm bored of waiting. So I might think, at least if I'm doing something, I'm going in the right direction to getting the job done. Nothing else to report. The S15 is still ready to go drifting. It's been a lovely day today, just going at my own pace, doing the door, taking my time. I know I've got to strip it all down and paint it again, but hey, you know, it looks nice to look at, doesn't it? It's way better than it was, even though it looks like a cow, but can't all be winners, can we? This door was really bad. It wasn't even worth repairing. For the price of that door, I ain't gonna bother much. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find my saw bits, because I have no idea where it is. I put it somewhere very, very safe, and it's that safe I can't even find them. Look at that, kids. Fucking 10 out of 10. Lovely repair. Here we have weld penetration from before. But what they did was they just left the rot underneath. So underneath was rotted. I'm not surprised. Like, don't think that I'm hating on this, because I knew it was going to be like this. But it's just surprising at what people will do. I don't know why you wouldn't just cut it out, because you've gone the effort to weld it. So just cut it out and replace it. It's probably more work to weld on top of bad metal. I'm not saying I'm going to do any better, but I wouldn't just hide it. I'd at least cut it out. So you can see a bit better now. That's where they've welded the plate in, and then it's rotten there. And you can see the two different levels. This is the original and this is the one they've put in. And they've like chopped it to make a radius instead of just making a radius.
A worthless steaming pile of cow dung!
So the actual good part of this is the bit that's welded in has actually rotted quicker than the skin that was underneath it. Two owners from there. Well looked after. Bullshit. I'm not sure as far as I seen last time, but that's lovely and solid. I just need to grind down the spot welds. I need to cut this excess out, and then my plan is to follow this line underneath steel round to here. I need to cut this out and actually redo that one, so that's probably going to be one of the first things I do as a little repair. I've grinded all the panel bond, or what would you call this? Seam sealer. So this is all seam sealer. So I've wire wheeled all that down, following the line. And as you can see the spot welds here. And there's a couple more in here that I need to get, but I have to take the rear light out. But what I found, I can take the rear light out. Once I've cut this out, I can take it out through here, which is a lot quicker than taking all the plastics out the boot. You know what I mean? Efficiency on that. As you can see this side, just undone the bolts here. Light comes out. Voila! Booyah! 10 out of 10. Booyah! It's probably a little less rusty than the other side, but at the same time equally shite, because it travels further this way. No damage here, but we're still going to have to paint it, aren't we now? Yes we are. I hope you're enjoying these little build series of the EJ. You know what I mean? I am. It is a bit weird talking to you like you're somebody, but I've been told it's the way to do it. Pretend you're here with me, do. But yeah. Yes. So my final, I will cut this area here. I will sand all of this area back to original metal. I will cut the same again here. This time we have to do the spot welds in this baby, because I think it recesses around here somewhere. Same again here. Same again, same again, same again. So, I need to... Ooh, want to buy some Honda Civic. Honda Civic ESI for sale. Brand new. Original. It's not original though, is it? Nah, it's a shit repair. Ooh. But yeah. What's in there? Sweeties. Spideys. Rizzler. You can see the lovely repair there that's been done. 10 out of 10 again, boys. But overall, it's not that rotten. Obviously, it's rotten. So, as you can see, I've drilled the spot welds out. And look what we have here. We can undo the nuts from here. See? I do know what I'm doing sometimes. And we're going to undo the 8mm now, and that will be the rear light off. And then when I get some more blades tomorrow, I can cut the rest of these off. Happy days. the other clip, me saying goodbye, but this is after I said goodbye. But I'm going to go back to the goodbye because this is goodbye. I think it's goodbye. Plus, I've got something in my eye. Goodbye.